Hey there guys, Robotic Neural 10 here, and it's a hot day today, and decided to play tennis a little earlier, went to my friend's house, and then, or had tennis camp, went to my friend's house, now I'm back at my house, and took a shower and stuff, and my dog got out, I found him, luckily, and, my brother told me. Luckily, my brother kind of helped, because he asked, if he was upstairs, and I thought he was, but apparently he wasn't. Anyways, we found him. He's good. He's upstairs. He's scared of this helicopter, and he needs to cool off. The AC is on, but I do want to use this also to cool me off. I did it a little earlier. That guy feels so good. Did it a few minutes ago. I think I've flown over maybe before, so I felt it. And so here we go. Personal thing. Take flight. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, you can't see it. Good. Okay, there you go. Oh, right. Come on. Come on, baby. Oh. Oh man, that wind is so good. Flies over you, that wind that's pushing down. It's pretty, oh, it feels so good. Look at that.